Let's see how to generate quantities reports of structural elements in StruBIM Steel. To do this, we go to the Documents tab in the program's general interface and use the options in the Quantities group on the top toolbar. The elements must be numbered in order to be able to use these tools. The first option generates a complete quantities report for the whole structure. In the Reports window that appears, we check the corresponding boxes to print all chapters or only the selected chapters. After clicking Accept, the program will display the preview of the quantities report on the screen. This report may include the tables for the assembly quantities, assembly and part quantities, and sections quantities, a summary by type of section, including data such as length, area, and weight, as well as the plate quantities, bolt quantities, weld quantities, and anchor quantities. From here, using the options at the top, we can share and export the information in different formats, as well as print the document directly. Returning to the program's general interface, we can now use the By Assemblies option to generate a quantities report of a selection of assemblies in the structure. In this case, after pressing it, we select the assemblies one by one with the left mouse button or use the crossing method, and then press the right mouse button. This way, the Reports window appears again, allowing us to generate the available quantities for the selected assemblies. Finally, using the By Parts option, we generate a quantities report for a selection of parts in the structure. In the same way, after clicking on it, we select the parts one by one or by using the crossing method, and click on the right mouse button. In the Reports window, we can include the sections quantities, the summary by type of section, and the quantities of other elements such as plates, bolts, welds, and anchors if they have been selected.